A new multiverse theory. Parallel realities are no longer just a trope for science fiction writers. We are living through a massive shift in theoretical physics where the multiverse is moving out of wild speculation and straight into testable, observable science. For decades, the multiverse was a purely mathematical playground, an idea trapped inside theoretical equations that we were hopeless to measure. But that playground is rapidly becoming observable territory. The multiverse is no longer confined to unprovable math. Real-world empirical data is actively mapping the parallel realities existing right next door. What makes this breakthrough so compelling is that we aren't looking at just one anomaly. Three entirely independent scales of empirical proof are pointing toward one unified reality. The microscale, which is quantum superposition at the atomic level. The origin, which is cosmic symmetry at the moment of the Big Bang. And the macroscale, which is dark energy constraints measured at the absolute edge of the universe. Let's start at the smallest scale, the micro. At the quantum level, particles famously obey quantum superposition, the ability for a single object to exist in multiple physical places simultaneously. For a long time, physicists assumed this weird behavior was limited strictly to subatomic particles and would collapse before reaching human-scale objects. That assumption just fell apart. Researchers in Vienna forced a massive sodium nanoparticle into quantum superposition. This makes it the heaviest object ever observed, acting as both a solid particle and a wave at the same time. The implication is clear. Quantum weirdness doesn't just vanish at larger scales. This nanoparticle experiment heavily supports Hugh Everett's many worlds theory. Quantum decoherence acts almost like frequencies on a cosmic radio dial. Parallel realities are actively broadcasting in the same physical space right now. We cannot see or interact with them because our quantum frequencies no longer align. Moving from the subatomic to the beginning of space-time itself, we reach Scale 2, the origin. One of the most fundamental rules in physics is a CPT symmetry. It dictates that the physical laws of our universe remain completely identical if you reverse three fundamental properties: charge, parity, and time. If CPT symmetry holds at the origin of the cosmos, the Big Bang wasn't just a single explosion spreading outward into nothingness. It was the center point of a massive cosmic mirror. When our universe was created moving forward in time and made of matter, CPT symmetry suggests a twin anti-universe was created at the same moment, moving backward through time and dominated by antimatter. This isn't just a thought experiment. Subterranean detectors deep underground are actively hunting for physical proof of this mirrored anti-universe. Shielded from cosmic radiation, facilities like Camland Zen are searching for rare, massless neutrinos. Detecting these specific particles would give us direct physical evidence that our backward-in-time counterpart truly exists. Finally, we zoom out to the absolute limit of space. Scale 3, the macro. By measuring the behavior of dark energy at the edge of the observable universe, cosmologists are figuring out what lies beyond our cosmic horizon. Recent observational data from the DESI telescope revealed something extraordinary. Dark energy is actually weakening over cosmic time. This empirical data acts as a brutal filter for cosmology. It is actively placing strict constraints on current multiverse models, violently tossing out theoretical ideas that don't match the real-world measurements. As those impossible models get thrown out, the weakening of dark energy strongly points toward a fascinating alternative. Gravity is physically leaking out of our universe. It appears to be bleeding into a neighboring parallel bulk, often referred to as the dark dimension. This creates a brilliant scientific irony. As dark energy weakens across the cosmos, our mathematical and empirical grip on proving the existence of the multiverse gets considerably stronger. When you step back, the big picture is undeniable. In Vienna, quantum superposition experiments prove that many worlds' decoherence scales up. Deep underground at Camland Zen, neutrino detection is tracking a mirrored, backward time anti-universe. Out at the edge of space, the DESI telescope is mapping gravity leaking into a parallel dark dimension. 3 completely independent fields of physics, quantum mechanics, particle astrophysics, and deep space observational cosmology are colliding into the same conclusion. The multiverse is no longer just sci-fi world building. It is fast becoming observable physics. If you found this video interesting, please don't forget to give it a like. Thanks for watching.